Imagine a universe where time slows down, objects shrink, and gravity bends the very fabric of reality. Sounds like science fiction. It's not. This is Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, a groundbreaking idea that redefined how we understand space, time, and the cosmos. In just 5 minutes, let's uncover the core of this revolutionary concept. Welcome to Gravity Nexus, where we make the universe simple to understand. What is relativity? Einstein's theory of relativity has two parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity focuses on objects moving at high speeds. Here's the essence: time and space aren't fixed, they're flexible. Imagine you're on a train moving close to the speed of light. If you shine a flashlight, the speed of light remains the same for everyone watching, both you and someone standing outside the train. But here's the catch: to make this possible, time slows down for you on the train. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Simply put, time runs slower for objects moving faster. So, the faster you move, the slower time ticks for you. General relativity, gravity and space-time. Now, let's talk about general relativity, Einstein's masterpiece. He showed that gravity isn't just a force pulling objects down. Instead, it's the warping of space and time caused by massive objects. Think of space-time as a giant trampoline. Place a heavy ball on it, and it bends. Smaller balls rolling nearby follow the curves created by the heavy ball. That's how planets orbit stars, following the curved space-time around them. This explains why the moon orbits Earth and why light bends around massive objects like black holes. It's not magic, it's relativity in action. Real-world examples. Relativity isn't just theoretical, it's part of our daily lives. Take GPS, for example. Satellites experience time differently because they move fast and are further from Earth's gravity. Engineers adjust for these differences using Einstein's equations to ensure your maps guide you correctly. And then there's gravitational lensing, a cosmic phenomenon where light from distant stars bends around massive objects, letting us see galaxies billions of light years away. Without relativity, these discoveries would be impossible. Conclusion: Einstein's theory of relativity isn't just a set of equations, it's a lens through which we see the universe's deepest truths. From time dilation to gravitational lensing, it reshaped science and our understanding of reality. Thanks for joining us on this journey at Gravity Nexus. If you loved exploring the wonders of relativity, hit like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, one idea at a time. Until next time, stay curious and let Gravity Nexus guide you through the universe. Einstein's theory of relativity doesn't just explain the universe, it transforms how we perceive time, space, and reality itself. It reminds us that the cosmos is not static but dynamic, interconnected, and profoundly beautiful. At Gravity Nexus, our mission is to bridge the vastness of the universe with the depth of your curiosity. So, as you ponder the speed of light or the warping of space-time, remember, every question you ask brings you closer to the universe's core truths. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring with us at Gravity Nexus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join this cosmic journey. Until next time, stay gravitational. If you enjoyed this journey through Einstein's theory of relativity, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow space enthusiasts, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay connected with us here at Gravity Nexus. Let's explore the universe together.